we are going to not only unveil his presidency or his presidential campaign, but we're also going to unveil so many other things that are not limited to unveiling our political friends. We have invited all Kenyans of goodwill and Kenyans who we share ideologies with. We have not invited our competitors. It must be very clear that this National Delegates Conference is for the Amani National Congress and her friends. We have not invited any of our competitors because we are alive of the fact that we are going into a battle, and that battle requires us to prepare enough to handle our opponents, and therefore we cannot again call our opponents in our strategy meeting. These must be very clear. So we want to urge all Kenyans to come, because we believe after we launch Musalia's presidency tomorrow, you are going to see a campaign that you've never witnessed in this country. We have lined up rallies across this nation. We are going to hit the coastal region. We are going to hit the Maasai region, the northeastern region, the epicenter of politics here in Nairobi. We are going back home in western region to ensure that we seal a Musalia presidency. We are going to demystify the issue and the narrative of a two-horse race. That is a false narrative that cannot sell to Kenyans. Kenyans want hope. Kenyans want their economy to be revived. We have seen people championing for unity in the name of Azimio la Umoja. But we want to tell Kenyans that Kenyans are not divided. As we are standing here, we have a Kalenjin here, we have a Kikuyu here, we have a Luya here, we have a Mijikenda here, and therefore there is no crisis of unity in this country. Kenyans are united and our priority is to revive the economy. So ningependa tu kuwakaribisha nyinyi nyote, mje kwa wingi. Kutakuwa na watu wengi sana. We have invited 6,000 delegates, but almost 20,000 Kenyans who are coming to be with us to witness this magnificent ceremony. We are going to have live coverage, and we are also going to stream live the events in the auditorium, na kutakuwa na watu 20,000 hapa nje wakitazama. We have almost 56 big screens ambazo we are erecting hapa nje, watu waone. Kutakuwa na burudani, kutakuwa na comedians, kutakuwa na mziki, kutakuwa na every type of entertainment. Vijana wote tunawaalika, tafadhali mujitokeze kwa wingi. Free entry